Discover the latest expansion of Devin Booker's growing Nike catalog as the brand introduces the Nike Book 1 Blazer Pack, a two-pair collection built for lifestyle fans and sneaker lovers. Dropping in holiday 2025, the pack features the Campfire Orange and College Navy colorways, both crafted with durable canvas, tonal stitching, clean white midsoles, and Booker's signature DB1 heel logo. Nike mixes heritage court styling with modern minimalism, delivering a classic low-top look that mirrors Booker's calm, effortless personality on and off the court. While the Campfire Orange pair highlights warm, standout tones, the College Navy version offers a sleek, everyday option perfect for casual rotations. With strong materials and simple execution, this blazer pack reflects Nike's commitment to building Booker's lifestyle line beyond his main signature shoe. Expect each pair to retail for $135 through Nike.com and select retailers.